Hi, and welcome to another video by Jim the Car Guy. Today I want to show you another booster pack that was sent to me by this company called Foxpeed, and this one is called a G29. Now this one supposedly is going to have 2,500 amps, be able to start up 4-cylinder, 6-cylinder, and 8-cylinder, and supposedly it'll even start up a diesel-powered vehicle as well. Now, very important, whenever you have a booster pack, you want to make sure you charge it up periodically, because if you leave it sitting in the car, in the trunk of your car, when you need it, it's not going to be in working order. I always recommend every 3 months to make sure it's fully charged up. Now, I have gotten lots of booster packs in the past from other companies, which turned out to be garbage. A lot of them I've never even made videos on. They wind up right in the garbage and you never even get to see them. But this one was sent to me by this company called Foxpeed, and I have seen these before, and I actually have gotten them before, and I had re-gifted them to some of my subscribers. Now this one here, we're going to open it up together. This battery is not dead in this vehicle, but I will show you how to connect it up and how to go about starting the vehicle in the event that you need to use one of these. All right, so first thing we're going to do is we're going to open up the box, and we're going to see what you get inside this box. All right, so let's open it up over here and we'll take a look at it together. All right, so let's see what we actually get inside this box. Okay, now this one here, as you can see, it comes in a hard case, so that way if you have it, leave it in the trunk of your car, it'll all be intact when you're ready to use it. Okay, what I like already from this one, from some of the other ones, is some of the other ones do not give you this charging unit right here. You'll get the cable itself, and then you need to supply this yourself. This one comes with it, so you can charge your device up. Of course, it has the directions of how to use it. This is the unit itself. Pretty self-explanatory. You turn it on right here, and it'll tell you how much is charged. Now, this is right out of the box. This is 47% charged, so obviously before we use it, we're going to have to charge it up, but I'll show you how to do that in a minute. It does have an output right here. It has two outputs that you can put into a USB. You can charge your phone, you can charge your computer, you can charge whatever you need to. Now it does have a light here as well, and the way usually you turn the light on is just press this button and hold it, and it should turn on. Just like that, in case you need to illuminate an area that you're working. Turn that back off. All right, this is a DC output, and it looks like the DC output looks like it would be something like this, that you can plug into it, so you could have a device that you could plug into here. Now this will come in real handy, and you know what? I might use this unit in a video I'm going to do with this particular vehicle here. This should have an output through here, and we're going to change the battery in this vehicle, and we're going to plug this into the accessory port inside the vehicle, so we can keep it powered up so we don't lose the memory while we're changing the battery. All right, so we're going to see how that works. And the way that this works is you just, and of course it has the directions right on the top right here as well. Basically all you're going to do is you're going to come over here. You're going to open this up right here, just like this. And you would plug your cables directly into there. Now there's only one way the cables can go. You can see one is squared off on the bottom, so you can't make a mistake. You can't cross them by accident. The way you would actually hook this up, and I'm going to show you right now, but as I said, this battery is not dead. The way you would use the booster pack is you would take this, which we know is our negative. We're going to take this off just so we can gain access to the negative side of the battery. You can see right there it says negative. So we'll take the black, which is also negative, and we're going to connect it on just like that. okay? Right onto the cable here. And this one, we're going to open this one up over here. I'll bring you in here and I'll show you what I'm doing down here in a second. And you'll see there's a small little connection down there. And you can see it's telling me right now how many volts is inside this battery here. And now we know it's 12.2 volts. So as I said, this battery's not dead, but if it was, it would tell you whatever the voltage was, 7 volts, 8 volts, whatever. All right, then what you would do is you would come over here, open this up just like this, take our cables, put them in just like this, push it all the way in just like that, and now that it's pushed in, we would come over here, turn our box on, like that, and then we would just get into the vehicle and we'd start the vehicle up. And then after the vehicle is started and running, we will come over here, take this out, just rock it back and forth and you pull it out. And then you would take off your positive and negative, just like that. Close the top up like this. Put your other cover back on like this. Push it down. And that's all there is to it. So as you can see, using a booster pack is fairly easy. Now this one here, as I said, this is the company here that made it. I will put a link down below the video in my Amazon store so you could take a look at it and see if it's something that suits your needs. The only thing I will tell you is that if you do decide to buy a booster pack, make sure that you have adequate amps. I've seen them already where they come with like 600, 800 amps, and that's not enough to start any vehicle, especially if it has a dead battery. Make sure you buy something that's capable of starting up your vehicle. I will do a follow-up video on this particular one because I'm curious to see if I plug this into my accessory port in the truck and replace the battery, will it keep the memory on the truck itself? So watch for a future video. I will post it on the channel. I don't know when I'll do it, but I will do it at some point. All right, I'll put the link up above, down below, someplace where you can go to the website and take a look at the products that they sell. All right, as always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.